Welcome. If you've been using Telegram on your PC lately, you might have noticed some cool new visual features rolling out. One of the most fun additions is the animated spoiler effect, which adds a smooth, eye-catching animation whenever you hide or reveal spoiler content in chats. If you want to turn this on and enjoy a more dynamic messaging experience, I'll walk you through it step by step. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure it's updated to the latest version, because this feature is part of a newer update and won't appear on older versions. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner of the window. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that to open the main navigation panel. From there, click on Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can customize how Telegram behaves and looks. Inside Settings, find and click on Battery and Animations. This section controls how animations are handled in the app, especially if you want to balance performance with visual effects. Now, look for the option called Animation in Chats. Turn this on if it isn't already enabled. This setting allows Telegram to display animated elements inside your conversations. Right below or near that, you'll find the option for Animated Spoiler Effect. Simply toggle it on. Once enabled, any spoiler you send or receive will have a smooth animated reveal instead of a static effect. That's it. You've successfully activated the animated spoiler feature on Telegram.